Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. And if you're new, hello, welcome. My name is Ashley. I do homemaking style videos such as organization, cleaning motivation, and decorating videos. If that's something you're interested in, I would love for you to join my small but growing YouTube community by hitting that subscribe button down below. All right, y'all, so today you might be thinking, Ashley, why are you in your closet again? I just saw a closet organization video. What more could you possibly be organizing? Well, I took a poll over on Instagram and everyone but a couple said, do your makeup organization video separate from your closet organization video because my makeup drawer is in my closet. So I am doing this separate. It will be solely makeup organization. Now, I don't have a lot. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't do YouTube videos on makeup tutorials or anything like that. I just am a gal that loves her some makeup. So I have more than your average person. I would say your average person probably has like a bag or two of these. And for me, I have like probably 10 of these bags, maybe more. I don't know. We'll get into that and we'll look and see what I have. But speaking of, let's dig in, let's get organized. And I hope today's video gives you tons of motivation to get your makeup organized, whether it be a small collection, mid-size, large, whatever size collection you have. Hopefully you get inspired to organize it and mainly go through and throw away some expired stuff. That is probably what I'm most excited about, is to make sure that everything that I touch and open from here on out is not expired. I don't even have to look, I don't even have to worry, I already know I can use it. So let's jump right into the video. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to show you how I have my makeup stashed now. It's just kind of in the storage bin. I'm gonna transfer all of the makeup into these very flexible trays that I purchased at Target. I have 3 different sizes, the small, medium, and large, and I'm just gonna transfer all of my makeup into these and put them into the little drawer that I got from Michael's for $40 during the New Year's sale in January, which you'll see here in a minute. As you can see, everything is just kind of thrown into these drawers, and in this specific drawer I had a lot of lipstick, lip glosses, chapstick, and even eyelashes. And as you can see, I had even more lip glosses and lipsticks and all of that in this bag. So I'm just going to take everything out so that I can go through them more thoroughly. Also, so I can clean off the makeup residue that just kind of got on there from me touching it or from it being thrown into the makeup bag or drawer. Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I, singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside, gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. Okay guys, so first things first is I'm just going to go through my lip glosses and decide what I want to get rid of and what I want to keep. So I'm just going to kind of categorize this to make it a little bit easier on me and to where it doesn't feel so overwhelming. And so yeah, I'm just going to start with my lip glosses, then I'll go down to my lip liners, then my lipstick, then my eyeshadows, foundation, so on, so on. So first I'm just going to get rid of whatever is expired and whatever I do not want anymore. And then I will take everything that I want to keep and I will put it in its proper home. Alright y'all, so I'm going to go through my eyeliners now. I'm just going to go through and decide which colors I still like, if I even wear them, if they are no longer even any good to use. So I'm going to go through these. These should be way easier to go through since there's just a few. Alright y'all, now I'm just going to go through my lipsticks and see which ones I want to keep and which ones I want to toss. All right, y'all, now I got these dividers that I showed you at the beginning, and so I'm just gonna kind of play around. Oh, look at that. These actually fit perfect. Yeah, I'm just gonna play around with these. Oh, so sad. Okay, let's see if I can fit up to 3. Nope, it's not gonna let me. So I have, okay, so I have these little ones. I can probably, let's see if it'll close. Yeah, I can just put these standing up, but at the same time, nah, we'll use these. All right, y'all, so this should work just fine. Now I'm going to put all of the lipsticks and glosses in here.
It's too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind.
All right, y'all, so now I'm just gonna go through my eyeshadows and decide what I wanna keep and what I might wanna give away to my sister. And then I say might because some of this is probably just trashed. Like there might not be anything in it. Like, you know, this is still good, but I'm just saying, I know this, for example, is, look at that, it's all gone. So I'm gonna go through this and decide what needs to be tossed, what I wanna keep, and what I wanna give away to my sister. Alright, y'all, so I got these clear mini countertop drawers at Home Goods, and I'm going to put my eyeshadows in them. So as you can see here, I'm just kind of playing around, seeing what will work best, what fits, and just trying to make it as functional as possible and still kind of look good. Y'all, please do not judge me. I know I definitely need to clean my makeup brushes. In this bottom drawer, as you can see, I just have all of my face masks, but I'm actually going to put those over in a basket so that I can make room for more makeup in this drawer. Okay, I'm just gonna stick those there right now, but I'm gonna see if I can find something to put those in. All right, y'all, so this wasn't even half this messy even a few weeks ago, but obviously with the stay-at-home orders, nail salons are not open right now, and so I've been doing my nails myself, and I've either been doing the glue-on nails or I've just been painting my real nails. It just kind of depends on my mood. So I'm going to get this orderly and just kind of where it's easier to find things and get things whenever it's time to do my nails. And I also have some hair items in here as well, which is what this originally was. This was just kind of like extra hair items, and I did have like some nail polishes in here, just like a couple though. So let's get this organized.
Meditation through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down.
All right, y'all, so I am finished. It is not necessarily like the most perfect Pinterest-worthy style organization for my makeup, but it's extremely functional, and most importantly, everything in here is stuff that I am excited about, that I enjoy, that I use. Now, some of the lip glosses, maybe I'll have to revisit my lip glosses and kind of get rid of some of those because I kept a lot of them. But for the most part, I am very happy how this turned out. If you've watched my last couple of organization videos, you know that that's something that I like to do. I like to organize everything and then revisit it. And then usually the second time when I go back to revisit it, I have a little bit more of a fresh perspective and I'm more willing to get rid of some more things, and I have a little bit more energy to kind of organize it to look even better. So that's probably what I'll do, but for now I am so happy and I'm going to show you how it turned out. All right, friends, my little makeup station in the closet is complete. It's definitely not necessarily Pinterest worthy, but it's extremely functional and it is laid out pretty nicely, I would say so myself. Like I said, not Pinterest worthy, but nice enough to be functional and still have a little bit of visual satisfaction. So this little drawer, I have my blushes, and here I have some highlighters. And then in all the rest of these drawers, I put my eyeshadows in. So this right here is all of my makeup that I use on a daily. So not necessarily a daily, but if I'm gonna go out and about, or if I'm filming, or if I'm gonna go anywhere, all I have to do is just grab this, set it on the counter, do my makeup, put everything back, and then place it back on top of this drawer. So easy. I highly recommend a separate bin or makeup carrier for your daily makeup. And I am actually, let me open this back up. I am so satisfied with how this turned out. Like I said, it's not Pinterest worthy, but guys, this is absolutely orderly and functional, and I can't even express how happy I am that I can actually see everything I have instead of like digging through it. So, okay. Next drawer is my lipsticks, lip gloss, my chapsticks, and I am actually really happy with how this turned out. Okay, so in this third drawer, I have all of my makeup sponges and my makeup brushes for travel, and also extra eyeshadow brushes, blush, foundation, contour brushes, and I have some backup setting spray in this drawer as well. Okay guys, this next drawer is my eyelashes. I have my eyeliners, all of my brow stuff, and I have my mascaras. So that is this drawer. If you're not calling, I'm gonna be just fine. And I guess naturally you might find me. All right, and last but not least, my nail salon. Okay, so on the left, I do have some hair products and hair scrunchies, but from the right over is everything nail related. So being that I am a nail biter, I like the idea of having the glue on nails. So not only do they look good, but I just like when my nails are painted. I love pinks, I love the whites, I love all of that. And I also have some crazy glue, which was a tip that I got from one of my friends here on YouTube. And so I use this to help the nails not pop off as easy. I also have some powder and gel acrylic that I got from Amazon and CVS, just everything I need to keep my nails looking nice and to keep me from not biting them. So this is what I call my little nail salon, and that is all in this last drawer. All right, y'all, so that is all for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked today's video, please hit that thumbs up. It helps my channel so much when you do, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are interested in seeing future videos. I would love for you to join my small but growing YouTube community. Thanks so much for watching, y'all, and I will see you next time.